Hey guys, welcome to Algebra Daily Week 8 Day 5 question. Now this particular question, you've got to actually do algebraic fractions. Now I haven't actually shown you guys how to do algebraic fractions in this series, but you can look up how to combine fractions and you can actually solve it that way if you want. But just because of how I've been showing you guys this, I'm going to show you guys using it a different method rather than using the traditional algebraic fractions method. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of the 2 first. Okay? So I'm going to multiply all of these terms by 2. Okay? So when I multiply everything by 2, my 2 2's, they cancel out here, and I've got x plus 6, because that's 3 times 2. And then here, I'm going to have it written as 2 times x, which is 2x, over 5, plus 7 times 2 is 14. Alright, now the problem is I got rid of the 2, but I haven't actually gotten rid of the 5 yet. So I need to get rid of the 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another one of this, and I'm going to multiply everything by 5 now. Because that should actually get rid of the 5. So when I do this, my first one is 5 times x, that's 5x. 6 times 5 is 30. And I've got the 2 5's, they cancel out each other, and I'm left with just 2x. And then 5 times 14 is going to be 70. So if I was to rearrange this now, I've got 5x minus 2x, because when 2x comes to the left-hand side, it's going to be the opposite of it. And then I've got 70 minus 30. So simplifying this, I've got 3x is equal to 40. I'm going to work through here, folks. So if I've got 3x is equal to 40, then I can say that x is equal to 40 divided by 3. And that's what the answer for x is going to be. So guys, later on I'll show you guys how to actually do the same question in a different way using algebraic fractions. But yeah, so this is how you kind of can do it without doing algebraic fractions. Now, I know some of you might be like, well, I really want to know, can you just show me how to do it quickly? Alright, for those of you guys, I'll show it real quickly, alright? So what do we got? What's our question? X 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so this is what our question was. X over 2 plus 3 equals x over 5 plus 7. I hope that was the question. Alright, so how you do this is you actually rearrange it. So we rearrange this as x over 2 minus x over 5 equals to 7 minus 3. So from here, because our common, and I guess this is where this might be new to you folks, I don't expect some of you guys to have done this, but you might have seen it before. But you're looking at 5 and 2, you know the common lowest common multiple is 10. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 and 2, the numerator by 2 and denominator by 2, numerator by 5 and denominator by 5. And when I do this, I'm actually going to end up with 5x over 10 minus 2x over 10 equals 7 minus 3, which is 4. Now, 5x over 10 minus 2x over 10 could be said as 3x over 10 equals 4. So I've got 3x over 10 equals 4. Then 3x is equal to 4 multiplied by 10, which means I've got 3x is equal to 40, and then x is equal to 40 divided by 3. So as you can see, another way of doing this. But as I said to you guys, I will show a bit more later on in this series how to do algebraic fractions. But apart from that, guys, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, pop it in the comments below.